I want to create a larger, more impactful piece. The F10 conveyor laser engraver utilizes an innovative material feeding system, eliminating size restrictions. Carefully designed support stands ensure stability for smooth engravings on large materials. Ultra-stable stepper motors withstand up to 720 hours non-stop endurance test. Dual pressure rollers secure safe handlings and precise engravings on materials. The F10 has one 18 by 15.75-inch engraving area gives you the freedom to be creative with large materials. The compatibility with multiple laser modules meets diverse engraving needs, while the compact body size ensures exceptional portability. 40-watt laser utilize the power of 8 diode lasers to achieve fast and precise cutting results. Self-cleaning lens ensures clear visibility with minimal maintenance needed. Powerful fans and a heat pipe cooling system combine to maintain optimal temperature for stable, long-term operations. The retractable focus stick enables quick focusing, enhancing work efficiency. Slide switch adjusts the power levels to meet various needs. The bridge cutting method allows users to detach finished products after batch cutting tasks. Let's add a few more details. The 2-watt infrared laser module provides a uniform beam for maximum performance when engraving reflective materials. 9,500 RPM fan ensures efficient heat dissipation. Featuring a retractable focus stick for precise focusing adjustments. The 2-watt laser module can engrave intricate patterns on metal and plastic with greater clarity and precision compared to any similar kinds. Ortur, inspire creativity in life.